you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
Jangan lupa tekan like dan subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gempakoku. Dan hari ni kita akan buat video unboxing. Aku baru je beli ni, Philips Momentum Gaming Keyboard. Dan saya beli ni dekat harga RM144. Murah. Kalau kau tengok gaming keyboard lain macam Razer dan sebagainya, mahal, 300-400 lebih kan. So it's a good deal guys, it's a good deal. So jom kita unboxing dan tengok macam mana gaming keyboard ni. Jom. Jangan lupa tekan like dan subscribe. Right guys, we're back again, and here's the box. As you can see a bit nearer, it says Philips Momentum, and it's a wired mechanical gaming keyboard, right? Gaming keyboard yang bermekanik, fungsi mechanical, brighten up your gaming. So we'll see later whether it brighten up my day. So keyboard ini harganya RM144, RM144. Murah je. Okay, so go to any gadget store and look for Philips. Computer store and ask for Philips, and you can look for this keyboard. Okay, and it says on the box dia cantik juga. Okay, 1 year warranty. Right, stickers, Philips logo behind. Right, behind they show the mechanical switch here. Okay, and they have the magnetic rest area yang panjang tu untuk letak wrist anda. And this side you have the dual mode, switchable kat sini, and down here is the colorful MB glow lampu LED MB glow tu, MB glow. So like the box, nice. Now let's unbox it. Right, itu dia. Comes in a nice protection foam. Kita keluarkan, and jom kita tengok apa ada dalam kotak itu. White. I'm not sure what this is for. I'll find out later. We have the warranty card, some more Philips warranty card and product, and more. This is the manual. And kita tak lawan balik. Kita tak baca pun, tengok YouTube dah tahu macam mana nak guna kan. So let's get rid of this box. So this is the armrest or wrist rest as you call it. This is the wrist rest. If you want to use, you nak guna boleh, tak nak guna pun boleh. So I'll put this aside. Just put all this in. Right guys, if I were you, I keep the box. Jangan buang kotak-kotak ni semua. Sebab katakanlah kau nak beli keyboard yang baru, kau boleh jual ni balik dengan kotak, harga boleh naik sikit lagi. Okay, so keep the box. Right, so this is the keyboard. It's such a beautiful device. Look at it. Boleh nampak dia punya keyboard sini semua dia macam naik sikit. So nampak style. So bila ada lampu, sini semua akan ada lampu dan sebagainya. So feels really good. I like it. It's big. And when I play, I tak rasa sakit pun. You hear the sound, clicking sound. It's a medical click. Right. So this is the USB wire. And tu je. Tak ada apa lagi. Tu je. So I'm going to hook this up and let it light up. I'll be back in just a minute. In the meantime, talk among yourself. Oh, I nak tunjuk sebelum I pasang ni, I nak tunjuk keyboard lama I. This is my keyboard lama I, and this is Red Dragon punya brand. Tapi I rasa sakit sangat sebab dia kecil sangat, dia punya apa ni, petak dia semua kecil sangat. So bila I main sakit, jari I sakit. Okay, so I wanted something bigger. And lagipun dia punya apa ni, tak banyak dia punya fungsi pun, cuma lampu dia you boleh tukar jadi hijau, merah, biru, purple, yellow, biru. Old school. So sekarang kita dah ada RGB punya keyboard, lampu yang lagi menarik. So I akan pasang dan kita akan sambung balik. Jangan lupa tekan like dan subscribe. Right, welcome back. Dah pasang dah, and here it is, the Philips keyboard, gaming keyboard. Tengok kat tepi tu, dia naik sikit macam tu, dia ada LED light dan sebagainya. So kira keypad tu dia tinggi sikit lah. Okay, cantik tak? Cantik gila. Mari kita test keyboard tu, tengok macam mana. Aku main game sekejap. I tak buka apa ni. Okey lah, I buka sound lah, bagi efek sikit. Buat perlahan dulu. So mari kita tengok gaming style macam mana dengan keyboard tu. First, we look at the keyboard, how I use and how I play, how it feels. I suka lampu dia. So sekarang I bagi lampu terang sebab I nak kau tengok dulu. Bila game dia dah start, kita tengok macam mana perasaan dia, ya. But it's good and it's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. The pads, the keypads are bigger. And mouse, I'm using a gaming mouse too. Okay, let's see. Oh, sedap. Sedap gila. Wih. Damn good. Not bad, man. It feels so different compared to yang I ada yang lama punya tu. Okay, nak tengok? Saya bagi kau tengok. sedap mai. Dan ini dah gaming keyboard dia. Nanti bagi saya padam yang I main tu Counter Strike. Baik. So dengan gaming ada test, memang sedap gila, cantik gila. Murah aja lagi. Tak payah nak spend banyak-banyak. It feels like a pro keyboard for gamers. Okay. And sebelum saya akhir video ni, saya akan tutup lampu untuk bagi efek dia. Sekejap. So there you go, guys. The Philips Momentum Gaming Keyboard. Dan bila you tutup lampu, you boleh lihat cantik gila. So macam ni lah keyboard tu akan nampak kalau lagi gelap. Kalau lagi tak ada lampu, dia akan nampak macam ni. Cantik kan? Dan button ni, okay, saya dapat tahu button ni kat sini adalah untuk tukar corak the pattern of the lights. See ya, tekan satu kali, so it changes all different patterns. See, so this is how you change the pattern by pressing this key here, the round thing, and if it straight like that, if you type, it will move like a pattern kan. So, and this one, press again, get a different pattern, you press again, press again. I suka ni, tapi tak boleh lah lama sangat ni, nanti sakit mata juga. It looks nice. This pattern, this, and I think this one. Let's see. Oh, this is just semua lampu tu bernyala. And then we go to this and back to dim and bright, dim and bright. Okay, so ada at least 5 ke 6 jenis pattern kat sini. And then back to normal and slow, but I prefer the first one, yang ni. At least ni okay sikit, nampak juga key. So just follow what you like, what kind of pattern you like, and you just press the button and good to go. Oh, one more I want to show you, and this is dia punya apa ni, self raise. Ni ada magnet tau, you just put nearby and it sticks. It's a magnet, yeah. Tak payah screw ke apa ke. Nak pakai, tak nak pakai, jangan pakai. Tapi saya lebih suka macam ni, buat cantik. Right? No regrets. So that's for the video today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So to all the gamers out there, this is one keyboard that is cheap and affordable that you can get. Kevin, if you're watching, maybe you should get this. Okay? Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Goodbye and thank you for supporting Gempak. Okay, you. Jangan lupa tekan like dan subscribe.